I think I have a rod knock. What's going on? Back at it again with another video. No, I'm just playing. For today's video, as far as I know of, I'm gonna be going inside Walmart. I need to get a oil filter and some oil because I'm gonna be doing an oil change. But I will get back to y'all once I get the oil and the oil filter. All right, so I got the oil filter. I still need to go by O'Reilly's because I need to get the oil treatment, some engine cleaner. It just basically helps out with like cleaning the engine with the oil. I'm not sure how it works, but I just know that it cleans the engine from the old oil that was in there. I think doing the oil change shouldn't take no more than like 30 minutes or so, but we'll see how long it goes. The Vibin oil treatment, and then is the engine treatment. It's good for cleaning everything, taking out the old oil. I think that's everything that I need. All right, we got everything that we need. Now it's time to go back to the crib to go start it. Oh, wait. Before we actually get to the house, this is where Gavin wrecked. On this curve. This is where the possum beat him. Gavin, if you're watching this, again, you should have hit it. I'm always gonna tell you that. Always. Got the oil drained, just took the filter off so that way more of the oil can come out. But yeah, it's a process. It's whatever. So I got the oil change done, my camera died, my phone's about to die, but I'm gonna lower it, go on a drive to make sure everything's good, to get the oil going through the engine and whatnot. But I will get back to y'all once my camera has more battery. So I went around, everything seemed fine, but may have developed a new issue. The car might be going under commission. I'll show y'all why. Everything seems fine, but when I give it some gas, yeah, I think I have a rod knock. So I'm gonna probably have to buy a new bearing. That is gonna take some time. But as for right now, I'm not gonna be driving the car. Now I'll still be uploading, I'll still be going out, but the car will be under commission. I don't know if I wanna either do it myself or if I wanna take it to a shop. Now if I take it to a shop, it's gonna cost quite a bit of money. But if I do it myself, it'll be a lot cheaper, but at the risk of if I do something wrong, it's all on me. I'm not entirely too sure what I want to do just yet, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see what happens. But like I said, this doesn't mean that I'm not still going to record. Obviously, I'm still going to record. I'm still going to go out. Even if it's not in my car, I'll probably be taking the truck out, or I'll probably be just riding with Greg or Caleb. But, yep. So that's the news. Just because it has a knock doesn't mean I'm going to give up on the car. I'm obviously going to work on it. I'm going to try to fix it. I'm going to fix it because it's one little problem. Ever since I got the car, there was like a small little, it was probably like a lifter tick, but I didn't think much of it. But you know, sometimes you have to learn the hard way. I should have gotten it checked out when I first started hearing it, but I didn't. It'll be a while. I don't know how long. Could be a month, could be 2 months, maybe 3 months. Who knows? All I know is that I'm gonna get it fixed, and I'm gonna make sure that everything is good before anything worse happens. My plans for this car, I've already told y'all my plans on the first video, but before I can start that, I need to make sure that everything else is good. I need to fix that. I need to fix some other stuff. I need to fix engine stuff before I go cosmetics and before I go performance. Maintenance should always be the first thing that you should do. I failed to do that, and now this is happening, and that's on me. I have no one else to blame but myself. But if y'all aren't already following me on Instagram, follow me at alberts.ipl. There'll be more updates on my story. But other than that, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video sometime soon.